Good morning, y'all. It's day 3 on the PCT. Another cold and foggy morning along the trail, and I am making myself some oatmeal and coffee. And I gotta say, I am already dreaming about ditching my stove. Unfortunately, I did send myself some resupplies all the way through PVC, and so I'm committed to cooking at least till then. You know, every once in a while, through hiking can turn into a spectator sport. Hello, ladies. Cruising along, not too bad considering the elevation gain today. There's Miss Laurie up on ahead. I had skipped on Kitchen Creek Falls when I came to before because it was pretty steep down, but made the trip today and I really missed out. This is really cool. What I didn't capture at this spot is when I went to wet my hat, I dropped it into the pool and had to jump in to go get it. This is Fred Canyon Campground. I stayed here on my first attempt and it was pretty crowded. It's only 2:30 right now, but we overdid it a little bit yesterday, so we're gonna take a really short day and then a short day tomorrow, and then we'll be just one day behind our planned schedule, and hopefully we'll get a little more in tune to the trail. So there was a ranger at Kitchen Road checking permits, and I was quite surprised to see that because I did not see a single ranger on my last attempt. I thought did a little video about it, but apparently I was just taking pictures of myself. And so that's about it for today. Sorry there wasn't a whole lot of content to show you today, but thanks for watching anyway. I appreciate y'all.